I'm Anna Madhumita, studying at MCOM at KCS Kachinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, I'm going to explain about public issue management under the subject merchant banking and financial services. The topics covered in this videos are the meaning of public issue management, functions of public issue management, various forms of securities issue, meaning of issue manager, the requirements and number of issue manager, and the role of issue manager. First, we are going to study about what is the meaning of public issue management. The management of securities of the corporate sector offered to the public on a regular basis and to the existing shareholders on the right basis is known as public issue management. The issue management is an important function of merchant bankers and lead managers. What are the various functions carried out by public issue management? The various functions of public issue management are obtaining approval for the issue from SEBI, arranging for underwriting the proposed issue, preparation of draft and finalization of the prospectus and obtaining its clearance from the various agencies, preparation of draft and finalization of other documents such as application forms, newspaper advertisement, and other statutory requirements, making a choice regarding register to the issue, printing press, advertising agencies, brokers, and bankers to the issue, and finalization of the fees to be paid to them, arranging for press conferences and investor conferences, and it also coordinate printing, publicity and other work in order to get everything ready at the time of the public issue. Complying with SEBI guidelines after the issue is over by sending various reports as required by the authorities. The next topic is the forms of securities issue. The various forms of securities issue are public issue, right issue and private placement. Public issue of security. It means when the capital funds are raised through the issue of a prospectus, it is known as public issue of securities. It is the most common method of raising funds in the capital market. A security issue may take place either at par or at premium or at a discount. The second one is rights issue. When the shares are issued to the existing shareholders of a company on a privileged basis, it is known as rights issue. The existing shareholders have a preemptive right to subscribe to the new issue of shares. The right shares are offered as additional issues by corporate to mop up further capital funds. Private placement. When the issuing company sells securities directly to the investors, especially institutional investors, it takes the form of private placement. The private placement covers shares, preference shares, and debentures. The major advantages of private placements include it is speed and confidentiality. It is less expensive method of raising capital because of fewer compliance procedure. It is advantageous to small companies which cannot afford a public issue because of the expenses involved. It is not influenced by the prevailing bull or bear phases of the stock market. Now the meaning of issue management. Issue management is the management of issues for raising funds through various types of instruments by companies is known as issue management. It is registered with SEBI and it needs to follow its regulations and guidelines, and it is an important activity for merchant bankers. The requirement of issue manager. What the issue manager must have to carry out issue management activity. It should be adequate and necessary infrastructure such as adequate office space, equipments, manpower to effectively discharge activities. There should be a minimum number of 2 persons needed who are professionally qualified in law, finance or business management and have the experience to conduct the business of the merchant banker. Fulfilling the capital adequacy requirement, that is a minimum net worth of rupees 5 crores. Number of issue managers. According to the issue size, the permissible number of lead managers is limited. When the issue size is less than 50 crores, there can be 2 lead managers. When it is 50 crores to 100 crores, there are 3 lead managers. When it is 100 crores to 200 crores, there is 4. When there is 200 crores to 400 crores, there can be 5 lead managers. If the issue size is above 400, the lead managers are 5 or more. The role of issue manager. Issue manager facilitates easy flotation of security. An issue manager acts as an indispensable pilot facilitating a public or private issue. This is made possible with the help of a repository of special skills possessed by him to execute the management of issues. Issue manager act as a financial consultant and they con- issue manager act as a financial consultant. They provide advice relating to capital structuring, capital gearing, and financial planning of the company. Facilitates underwriting of securities. Issue manager allows for underwriting the issue of securities made by the corporate enterprises. It acts as a market maker. The merchant bankers, as issue manager, often act as a market maker for the issues lead managed by them. They invest, continue to hold, and provide buy and sell quotes for the listed scripts of the company. Carries out due diligence. The issue manager has to comply with SEBI guideline. The merchant banker will carry out activities with due diligence and furnish a due diligence certificate to SEBI. It coordinates with other agencies for issue. The issue manager is required to coordinate with a large number of institutions and agencies while managing an issue in order to make it successful. Liaison with SEBI. The issue manager, as a part of merchant banking activity, should register with SEBI. While managing issue, constant interaction with the SEBI is required by the way of filing of offer documents, etc. In addition, they should file a number of reports relating to the issue being managed.